sin. All I need to cleanse and make me fully whole. In sorrow is my comfort, in trouble is my strength. He tells me every care on him to roll. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000s to my soul. He all my grief has taken and all my sorrows borne. In temptation he's my strong and mighty tower. I have all for him forsaken and all my idols thrown from my heart, and now he keeps me by his power. Though thou wilt forsake me and Satan tempts me so, through Jesus I shall safely reach the goal. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000s to my soul. He will never, never leave me, nor yet forsake me, while I live by faith and do his blessed will. A wall of fire about me, I've nothing now to fear. With his manna in my hungry soul shall feed. Then sweeping up to glory, to see his blessed face, where rivers of delight shall ever roll. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star.